Yes, my people, good day. How you feeling? We're working on a Toyota Camry that ran off the road into a ditch and damaged the left front lower corner right there. That got hit. So it damaged the radiator, the condenser, and the radiator support. So I'm removing the condenser, and then now I am removing the radiator. And then afterwards, I'm going to start working on the radiator support. So I put my jack under there to support the cradle because I had to remove the bolt in that corner. Now I'm using the frame machine to pull that section that was pushed in. It came off, that's fine. I wanted it to come off, so don't worry about it. Remember, safety first, wear your safety shield, protect your eyes and your face. So I'm using my grinder to cut that section off that I'm going to be removing. It was a little bit stubborn, but you know, we don't give up easy. We motivated it. Now I'm cleaning up the area that I'm going to be welding the new piece in. This is a new piece. This is the radiator support. So as I said, I'm only replacing the lower section. So I'm now removing the upper section. Then test fit, always test fitting. It fits. So now I am removing the paint from the areas that I'm going to be welding on, and then also drilling a few holes that I'm going to be doing my spot welds through when I install it on the car. Now, the most important part, before you do any welds, always make sure that you bolt everything up as it is going to be to make sure it's perfect before you start welding. And I did. Everything lined up perfectly. So now I'm just welding the lower radiator support in, grinding off any extra welds, and then doing some rust prevention. This is a new radiator that I'm putting in. Now I'm going to remove the fan and the hose from the old radiator, and then now installing them onto the new radiator. I wanted to go new, but they just could not afford it at the time, and that's fine. They're not defective, they're not damaged, that's okay. We can reuse it. They're a little bit old, but it'll work. Install your radiator. Afterwards, now this is the old AC condenser. I'm just taking some pieces off, and then this is the new AC condenser. Install that as well. I charged up the AC and it was blowing super cold. So now I'm just bolting up the few more pieces that are left, the tie bar. This is the rebar, putting that stuff back in there, and then filling the radiator. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bless.